How to remove keep watching from Paramount Plus. Hi guys, in this video we'll learn how you'll be able to remove the keep watching option here on your Paramount account, wherein it's like a carousel. So all you have to do is go to your homepage where you'll be able to see keep watching, and you'll be able to see there's an edit option at the right side of the keep watching carousel. All you have to do from there is to click on the edit button. And when you click on the edit button, it will provide you an option whether to cancel or to remove the edit option or the keep watching carousel here. So all you have to do is to click on this edit button, as I mentioned earlier, and then this will show. You'll be able to have the option to either choose cancel or remove, and then just simply click on remove. And then from there, the keep watching carousel will now be removed from your Paramount homepage. And that's basically it. That's how you remove the keep watching on Paramount Plus. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!